So, I'm making a video tonight, and as you know, I do all the ads for rental space and things like that. And we had a guy message, and he said that he wanted to rent a $1,350 area for just $150 or $200. And he said that he's a nonprofit. Oh, wait, I wanted to show you something else. Spider Dog fixed my keyboard. It lights up now. I never had that before. He showed me how to do it. And I was just like, I can talk it over the whole bit. So I talked it over, and it wouldn't work because the only way that that would work is I talked it over my father, and the only way that would work is that the city would have to approve it and then discount that section of property taxes. And even at that, it still wouldn't work. And what I didn't appreciate was the message back. And this is what I said back. We pay $50K in property taxes a year. It's not free. They would have to discount the section you rent. True statement. Also, my cost is very high. I spend $30K a year on my fire alarm systems and emergency lighting. That's very true. Very true. It's not free, guys. Um let's see another message. You want to see another one? We get these all the time. Everyone wants to make a restaurant out of the space. All the ads I manage are at my building, the complex. Um, and I have to explain, sorry, regulations do not allow me. Fire regulations. You can't have like a restaurant. No, it's not allowed. But my ultimate one. Let me see if I can find another one. Right here. People constantly want to paint. So I have to tell them. Sorry, no painting. It will hurt my smoke detectors. Consistently, we have people who want to set up. So, and then that's what I'll have to message back. I say, sorry, no painting. It will hurt my smoke detectors. We get people trying to do like paint booths constantly. Tons of messages. Oh, here goes another one. No, where's the other one? Felt bad for this guy, but he wanted to open up like some sort of club. Members only pool table. Yeah, I can't say yes to that either. Now we're going to send him a recommendation. I always try to help people out. That's our competition. So I told him, try Hope Artist Village. We always try to help people out. Let me see if there's something else I can show you. Maybe not. Maybe so, maybe not. There's some nice pole stations that I got. Back boxes. That's a really good deal I got on back boxes. Excuse me. Oh, my fave. We always need these. Those are new in box. Fire alarm horns. More back boxes. And then wire. So I got four spools for $185 free shipping. I have to pay for those tomorrow. Now, I wanted to show everybody something really cool. Well, not something, it's somebody. Let's see if we can get it in there. Hmm. That's my favorite photo of him. Right. Hold on, let me get the cursor out right there. That's a very special person to me.